Hello everybody. So today we want to unboxing. This one. Thing that we got online. Okay.
The phone the great motorbike.
Huh?
The phone the great motorbike.
No.
Where then?
Courier.
What? Courier again. I don't flip this car and before down rock.
Okay.
Nida, that white body. That's a bida.
Plastic.
Makan sip.
And is also from H&M.
H&L.
Okay.
Okay.
Different color. Different color pants. The same one like this one. Just now. But different color.
You see what's this? Nah, you see.
Right. Person right.
You.
Yeah, nah.
What?
Okay.
Become cantik, become big and become bigger and bigger.
Come.
You sit lah, you sit first.
Okay.
You sit first. Then your pants lah.
Tie lah.
That's right.
Okay, right. The pen. This.
Wow.
Use belt.
Pretty good lah.
Oh, with tali here.
Good. See guys, it's still the
Bigger
pants.
size.
Still the
Bigger.
pants
Bigger
there
size.
guys.
Brown.
It's still behind.
Coffee brown.
Coffee brown.
There got the button on it there. Then you still got the button on it.
Button.
No button, guys.
She also got
Okay.
button.
Got button also.
So many button on your
So
pants.
many button. So many pockets.
Button got
Okay.
got the pocket
Come.
there. You still got pocket that's all.
Got ah?
There.
Okay.
But forget to like,
Comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Bye bye,
Bye-bye.
everybody. See guys.
Hello, guys. So now we are at Sky Blue Cafe. They call it.
Masih etek deh.
Sky Blue Cafe. This one is at Tabuan Tranquility. This one. Tabuan Tranquility, guys.
Want see this car, mommy? This one can. I press it, okay?
Okay.
iPad guys. iPad blue, iPad. Buat mommy pens ah.
And then now we pass by this area, guys. We see
Mommy the same.
got Karimi and Penmi here. Karimi and Penmi.
Really wet but it's
So we
this
stop
table.
here, see what are the menu.
Mommy really wet this table here. Did you?
So this is what we order, guys. Okay. Okay, confirm. Okay.
Kopi sipeng kosong. Sky blue. People wonder what shop is this? Suddenly got this kind of that one. This kind of deco. Kan? Okay.
Fishball rice. Bison one day. Fishball rice. Got the meat, the soup.
Hot. Oh, say. Oh, big. Okay. Very mixed. Okay.
Oh, look at that, guys. Ooh, this is what we are craving for all this while. This one is chicken and barbecue pork.
Yeah,
This one
chicken.
is also, this one is roasted barbecue pork.
Chasio.
Lanjut makan, guys.
Okay.
Aku tahu ada nak B. Oh, B. Having.
Chasao này coi.
So this is what I ordered just now, guys. 2 type of pork lah, mine one, and then this one channel B. Got one.
Two mix.
Two meat.
One chicken, one
Chicken, one pork. Got egg also.
Cek Yuka, Bison.
Yeah. Bryson one not spicy lah. Bryson one fishball soup.
Cek Yuka.
Yeah. Hello guys. So at last we
Found.
the Karimi, KL Karimi in Kuching. Maybe good lah, but we don't know where, but okay. So this is what we ordered just now. There. So my one just now is mixed noodle lah.
Mixed noodle.
Petel and noodle there. 2 type of meat. So try how to cook. Curry. Nice. There, the meat. Very hot, guys, but nice.
Cek new fire dari ni. Cek new fire. Dari sini.
Right.
Lemak-lemak lah dia. The curry and then got santan taste, lemak-lemak.
Jadi.
Same thing.
See the meat here, guys.
Cek new fire.
Meat there. Lanjut makan, guys.
Okay.
Untuk makan guys.
Okay.
And then the soup was too hot.
Sahabat-sahabat is fishball soup.
Okay, ready?
Fishball soup with rice. Sahabat-sahabat.
Lanjut makan.
Okay.
What is that now, B?
Karimi.
Karimi. KL Karimi. Oh.
And last we found it,
There. How it look like?
There. You got mixed two meat,
Yeah.
one chicken, steamed chicken, right? Steamed chicken, and then chasao. Lemak like that,
Yeah, lemak-lemak. Craving, view. After came back from KL, looking for this mee curry.
Last found it.
After how many months? 3 months, then found it.
I know there was a mix now.
One dan Yuka.
Noodle also 2 types je now.
Yeah. There and another yellow meat.
Suka-suka.
Got this one again.
Long bean,
Long bean.
curry, got egg again. Tahu so good.
Chicken, one spoonful.
It looks so that one bio. Baik kau bi. Mouth watering ah. Okay, kita lanjut makan. Okay guys, so lanjut makan. Wait first.
We are at Imat 916 Member Day, guys.
Imat Member Day, guys.
Yeah, Imat Member Day 916.
RM30 that one, voucher.
Voucher.
Void off.
9 PM nih. Okay.
9 ringgit.
4 ringgit.
Oh, itu 190 deh.
Ya, nah. Sambal-sambal hot and spicy.
400 gram, okay? Jangan ditipu. I thought this whole packet now. I want to buy the original.
Popo. Beli. Correct, ah?
Think person like
169.
we don't like this flavor. I remember it.
Munch crunch.
Yeah. We make 100 na lang.
Oh, even they got a pot already now. Daiso. Kan. ATV. What kind is? Not pot, word.
Oh, man. Dalam paper?
Oh,
Nanti awak tengok.
oh.
Tidak.
Tidak apa.
Kang.
Come. Got some milk there? Good. The queue until here, guys. Until the milk section here.
I look like the voucher. Oh, got voucher, guys. There. Follow that in front there. In front there.
Okay. Go.
Bagi pelanggan yang ingin membuat pembayaran menggunakan MyKasih, Anda boleh pergi ke cashier counter 1, cashier counter 2,
Well, there, okay.
cashier counter 3, cashier counter 4, cashier counter 5,
Member
dan
Day.
cashier counter 6.
5.
Kerjasama Anda amat kami hargai. Terima kasih. Greetings.
Banyak orang.
Where they put the balloon? Biasa tak? Saya tidak.
Yeah. Pun they will release it at 9 just now, 9 o'clock and later.
Turun.
There the balloon, guys.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessica JVST. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessica JVST to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.